She arrived. Runway Rehearsal by Raquel Welch in the Shaded Biscuit. She's here, she's here. She was just released on August 1st. So exciting. Oh my goodness. She's a long one. Whoa. Wow, what a beautiful blonde. Okay, let's look at her cap construction. So she has a left side monofilament part, monofilament lace down here past the ear tabs a little bit, velvet ear tabs. She has a nice extended nape, Velcro adjusters, open wefted. Look at this color. Shaded Biscuit color. It's light ash blonde with an even blend of cool platinum blonde and dark roots. Wow, this is a stunning color. Now, just from reading that, I would have thought that she would be much more platinum, but she's really very blonde. It's not cold at all. Maybe up more towards the root, but not at all down here. I'll take her outside too to show you. Beautiful curls. Wow. Let's put her on. What? Oh, what a nice part this is. Ooh, I like that. Oh, she's got these longer, like feathered bangs. Oh my goodness. Wow. These waves. Boy, does she do these waves so beautifully. Oh my goodness. She was worth the wait. Okay. What an amazing unboxing. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to pull this a little bit out of my face, but I also like how she like comes down like that. Guys, brand new style. Look at this hairline. Look at that. The root. Oh, and she feels so lightweight. For this much hair, she feels so lightweight. And the cap is fitting me good. That's good. Wow. I always have a little room up here in the wefted caps. That's just how it is because I'm a small, petite 21-inch head. But around this wig, she's fitting good. Oh. Can I have more new favorites? Like, this is a problem. I love this layering. Oh my, I'm 5'6" and she's coming down. Wow, very long. Okay, everyone, what do you think? So beautiful. Here we are outside. This color is really amazing. Like, you can see the platinum in there, but it's also such a warm colored wig. There is ash blonde. There's like a regular warm blonde in there too. And the platinum. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Let's get another angle. Oh, this is better. We're in the full sun. This color. Wow. Really dimensional coloring. That hairline, Raquel Welch has such amazing hairlines. Okay. I am 100% totally in love with this new style.